Welcome to weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. Today we are going to discuss about the gold, silver, crude, USD, NR, Bitcoin and Nifty, Bank Nifty along with the top 10 stocks according to their weightages, the possible trend and possible pattern for the next week. Okay, so we'll begin with the gold. We'll go for a hourly chart. This is a daily chart. In the last week video we have discussed this, like it is something ending here. It may go a little bit down, that is for 1750 or 1700 1750. Below that we may go, but most of the time if it is crossing this trend line we are going to go for upside, and here it may come down and go upside, but it did not come downside and it went straight away to the upper side. Now what can be done in case of gold for the next week is you can stay in a buy, keeping this as a simple ABC kind of a structure, A and B. Now we are waiting for this C to happen. Okay, so look for buy in case of gold. Keep a short term of 1790 or 1788 or 1790 as a stop loss. Okay, so you can buy above the 1860 1816 for the level of 1840 or 1845. So look for buy in case of gold from the level of 1815 USD and sell below 1789. It may come down and go below or retest the low of 1750. Then it can go further up or further down from there. So possibility of here is two things. One is, like for example, this is the one trend A, B and C. Okay, a second is possibly it may come down and go upside. So this I'm changing the color to the red. The two possibility in case of gold. One is buy above this and sell below this, and the pattern may vary from this to blue line, or I will change this color with a different so that it will be highlighting that, not red, maybe green. Yeah. So this, okay. In case of gold, look for the buy, not for the sell as of now. Only sell below this 1788 to come toward 1750. Silver, yeah, it has crossed the trend line, but able to cross here and came down one more time. So overall trend is for the downside only. This may be the correction of a bigger correction. So I'll remove everything now so that it will be clear. In the very short term, it has crossed the trend line. If you can see that clearly here, right? Something like a triangle or something like a C has ended, or it maybe it is the part of the correction of this picker. Okay, this is like simple ABC kind of a structure here, ABC or DE. Maybe it come down a little bit and go upside. Okay, there is a bigger correction. It is a part of the bigger correction. For example, if this is the case. Okay, and in case of silver, you can look very short term. Means very short term means keeping the stop loss of just below this, that is 25 USD. One can buy from 26 USD for the level of 2680. Okay, this can be used like buying opportunity here, or it may come down a little bit, and whenever it is reversing then we can buy. So may do the pattern of inverted head and shoulder or kind of a thing. For example, this is 1 and 2 3 4 5, then upside if it is happening. So here we can buy or make a buying decision keeping the stop loss of this for 26.80. So look for buy, not for the sell as of now. In case of silver, sell only below 25.742. Okay. Crude, as earlier said, like here it may go upside and hit the high, or it may face the resistance at the channel. So you can see here it exactly face the resistance at the channel level and reverses from there. It came down and went upside. Now we earlier discussed this, like if it is crossing in less than time or less time, we may change the pattern, or we may change the decision of selling here. So you can see here clearly it has broken in time, right, and able to close below that also. Here whenever we are making the sell decision, you need to add a one trend line, that is a deadline, a cross line, or you can say like Lakshman Rekha. So whenever it is crossing, then you need to change your mind and you need to change your plan. So here, let's say whenever it is crossing this, it has not closed, but in this candle it has closed below the previous low. So we made a decision of selling here by keeping the stop loss of 72. Okay, here we make 71 to 72, maybe a 1 point loss in case of USD, sorry, crude oil. And then we say, okay, here it has broken the trend line, right? So it is a part of the correction. We don't know whether it is going fast or again it will do some correction. But at least you stayed away from the selling it, right? So then what happened? It reverses immediately and going upside. So the time wise, if I take only to this lower side, means lower side of sell, and now I'm waiting. So I just change the color to different so that it can differentiate with the background. Okay, change to the red, or I'll make a little bit right. S- okay, so we have still time till 21st 12 of 21st July. So on Monday, yeah, Monday closing day, it may go a little bit to upside, maybe let's say 80%, or it may reverse from there and do some correction. Okay, the uh, possibilities are there, but here it has broken this immediate trend which was earlier going on, right? With here, now it went inside. The possibility is there. Now the maybe a little pause to the upside. So it may do some complex correction here or some correction, and most of the time it may go below the 71. Now the overall trend from buying to shifted in the selling in hourly chart. So in hourly chart, now what will be my first priority? This trend line, it has broken. Now I'll add one more trend line to the present trend, which is this. Okay. Whenever it is crossing in time or as per the two-stage confirmation, I hope you all know what is the two-stage confirmation. So here, anywhere if it is crossing this in time, so we may go for the sell. So this may do the triangle pattern or a diametric pattern. Okay. So keep eye on crude oil, what structure it may make. So this is just my imagination. So it may go towards this and make this pattern. Okay, so look for the buy now as of now and sell only below 73 USD in case of crude. USD INR, as discussed earlier, like it may go and hit the top. It went upside and now making the correction. So it is reversing at the level of 80%. So earlier we said like 80% will go, and it may go towards the 100% and 123%, but still it is not looking like a sell pattern. So still it is in the buy. So as it is correcting little bit, so it may take little bit of time and go one more time upside. So look for buy in case of USD INR for 75 or 75.90, not to sell as of now. Okay. Bitcoin. So as earlier discussed, like this may do the ABC pattern, or it may go upside first, or it may do ABC kind of a correction, or 1 2 3 4 5, then it can go downside, upside. So presently it is in the sideways against to this, right? So pattern wise it hasn't changed much, so I'm just altering little bit. So presently you can look for the sell below the 32 USD if it is crossing, and for 28 500. Okay. So one can utilize this kind is, for example, let's say this, and come down a little bit to the 28 USD, or buy only above 36 for upper targets. Okay. So in Bitcoin as of now, stay in a sell for 28, or little bit of time taking towards 31 or 30,000 USD, then it may go upside and give a buy opportunity. Our Nifty. So we'll go to the first to the daily chart. So we'll look. Yeah, brilliant. So exactly it touched the low of these two trend lines, or these 2 points, the trend line of these 2 points, and reverse from there. You can see clearly, right? This violet line. This is the third point of this trend line, right? So earlier we said here it may do the downside, then it go upside. So exactly it does, right? So it is a triangular pattern, A, B, C, D, and E. It may go and do the diametric pattern or a triangular pattern itself. So what happens after that? We may stay in a buy in case of Nifty until and unless it crosses the level of 15,500, or it may come down a little bit and go upside. So it may happen. So it will come down a little bit, then go upside. Only sell below 15,500. Okay, that too in faster time, but most of the time it will go one up before it can go any further down. For example, let's say this come to the 80%. Visually I'm saying it may be towards the 15,580. If it is come 100% also, that is for 15,500, but not in time. It is right, as per the two-stage confirmation, it is taking much more time. So this trend is faster and it is a slower. So this is the primary trend, this is the correction, and adjacent to this we may get one up. So it will be doing the structure that of the ABC, a simple ABC kind of a structure. So here in case of Nifty, stay in a buy above 15,720 and sell below 15,500. And whenever it is crossing the trend line and giving you a buy opportunity, or it is giving you your trend is going away, or whatever the channel you did, or whatever the two-stage confirmation you did, as per that you need to alter your trades and decisions of your investings. Okay. So here it may do 1 2 3 4 5, that's fine, but it will come little bit upside, then down, and then upside may happen. So this overall pattern is we are in the B, so we are waiting for this to C to happen. Or there is a one more chance, like here it's a and completely it is a B, and this is a C. I mean, if it is C ended, it went upside and then down. So may happen like A, B, C, D, E. After this triangle, it may go upside and do the ABC kind of thing. After that, there is a one more possibility in case of Nifty, that it may do. This is a bigger A, and this is a bigger B and bigger C. Right? I'm changing the color a little bit, or make a thickness of little higher. So this is A. Sorry, this is A. This will be the B capital, and this will be the C. Okay. So this may do in case of Nifty, or it may do the pattern like A and simply it is a B at the top, and now it is coming towards a C. That will be finishing at the level of 15,500 to making this pattern as a triangular or a flat. Okay, that can also possible. And after that, if it is does like downside first, then it may go upside and finish this AB. Getting my point? Right. So I'll add the trend line from this angle too. Right. You can take like this. So here it has broken the trend line, but hopefully it is the one more line. So whenever it is coming inside this channel or inside here, we may see some buying opportunity in case of Nifty. So I'm adding the side trend line too. Okay. So below this. Okay. So now in case of Nifty, you can look for the buy above this 15,750 and sell below 15,630. So maybe it varies like this and downside and go upside to do the ABC kind of a thing, or expanding triangle here, or it may go little bit down to finish this ABC kind of a thing. A, and this will be the B, and this will be the C. One thing, right? After that, it will be like A here, and if it comes from here only, then it will be the B here, and we'll do C from there. Okay, this is two possibility in case of Nifty. So immediately, if it may go downside, if it is not going downside, it may open. So this may happen like A, B, C kind of a thing, or a simple ABC that which I shown earlier. Like this will be the A, and this will be the B, and this will be the C, red line. Okay, getting. So one is a bigger ABC. For in that case, for example, just I'm adding it to the sideways so that you can be little clear. Let's say this is A, B, and C now. Okay, whatever this is blue line. Okay, in that presently we are in A, B, and C is happening. So this is ABC, and it is a bigger A, B, and C. Again, if you take as a whole, again like this will be the A, this will be the B, and C will be the upside. For example, from here or from here, if you take this is A, B, and C. Getting what I'm trying to say? So this matches with every time frame, or it matches overall. Okay. If I say like this is A, again, this is a B, and for the C upside. Okay. Bank Nifty. I have a similar structure. We said earlier, like it may go to the X, then go towards upside. Whenever it is crossing the level of 35,000 or 36,000, we may see 36,500. Right. So I'm just removing everything now, so it will be clear. Sell only below this. That too, if it is crossing in time. So before that, that is like 29th July. If it is breaking the low and going downside, then we will be looking in the sell, making this pattern as a flat or a zigzag. Why I'm saying that this is A, let's say this is a B, and this will be coming towards a C. Okay, or it is going like 1 2 3 4 and 5 here, and then reversing, or it may be going towards the 100% or 80% of the whatever earlier trend or pattern is. Okay, because this is taking much more time compared to this correction. And Fibonacci wise, it is below 80%. Hopefully it may go to the 80% and does the flat or a zigzag pattern, as it is below the 78% or 80%. Okay, and now we'll go to the individual stocks. HDFC, yeah, the structure wise hasn't changed much, so it can do the consolidation here, then it may come down and go upside. So look for buy only above the 25.42 for 26.48, or sell below 24.46 to 23.54. Okay, this overall trend is for the downside only in case of HDFC. So it is in the correction of B wave. It may take some time. HDFC Bank, structure wise hasn't changed much, so it can do the ABC kind of a thing. So here you can expect some correction or a buying opportunity upside for 16.13 or 16.20 to do as a flat or a triangular pattern. So look for buy in case of HDFC Bank, not to sell. Hindustan Unilever, it is doing the structure of the triangle, but here in case of C wave, it is correcting little bit. So again, we get opportunity for trading here, like a ABC kind of a thing. So that will be a complete triangle, right? Because this is like a going sideways. So most of the time it will go sideways and move upside towards a 26.40. So look for buy, not to sell. ICICI Bank, so it is doing the structure of ABC kind. So as we discussed earlier, so it may do like ABC, then it will come down. And after that, it may do the flat or running flat, or again like a flat. Here we can take this as a flat, or here it can come down and make the structure of the flatter triangle. Okay, so here you may expect some consolidation and downside for 600 or below that. So look for sell in case of ICICI Bank, not to buy. Infosys, we said if it is spending some time in above the trend line, so we will be looking for the buy. Now you can stay in a buy and look for buy for 1640 or above that. So look for buy, not to sell in case of Infosys. ITC, exactly the structure hasn't changed much. So it is coming towards the level of 198. If you are getting the opportunity, buy for 220 or 227. Kotak, structurally hasn't changed much. It is coming down. So wait for the 1680, or as it crosses the trend line, again it came down. So it will be going to go for upside once before it can go any further down or further up. So stay in a buy. LNT, it may do the zigzag or a flat or this neutral triangle or head and shoulder like structure. Okay, now we are seeing this E, or maybe E has finished here. So we'll be seeing upside. That also possible. So buy only above 1533 for 1582, and above that sell only below 1450 for the level of 1372 or 1414. Okay, Reliance, we said here if it is able to hold this price, it may go upside to test the level of 2320, or below this line we added like a 2150s. If it is crossing that, we will be staying in a sell for 1960, right? So now we can stay in a sell for 2000 and 1972 in case of Reliance, not to buy as of now. Okay. TCS doing exactly the similar way, downside. So we'll see how it behaves near this structure, and stay in a sell in case of Tata Consultancy as of now, not to buy. It may come down to the level of 3100, and then we will be looking how it behaves. Okay. Bajaj Finance. Yeah, it is going towards 64.45 as said earlier. Like it is 63.38. So it can go towards the 64.45. So stay in a buy, not to sell. This is for this week. If you have any queries, comment or ask in the WhatsApp group. And this video is only for the educational purpose. Before taking in any trading or investing decisions, please do take your experts' advice. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful weekend.